In a quaint village nestled amidst rolling hills, there lived a young artisan named Aarav. Known for his intricate wood carvings, Aarav's creations were admired by many. However, he often felt overshadowed by the grandeur of city artists whose works were celebrated in galleries and exhibitions. One day, a renowned art collector visited the village. Intrigued by Aarav's craftsmanship, he approached him and said, "Your work is exquisite, but it lacks the sophistication of urban art. If you adapt your style to match theirs, fame and fortune will follow." Eager to gain recognition, Aarav began mimicking the styles of city artists. He studied their techniques, altered his designs, and soon his pieces resembled those found in metropolitan galleries. As predicted, his fame grew, and his works fetched high prices. Yet, with each passing day, Aarav felt a void. The joy he once found in carving was replaced by a mechanical routine. His creations, though flawless, lacked the soul and passion that once defined them. One evening, an elderly traveler visited Aarav's workshop. Observing the artworks, he remarked, "These are beautiful, but they don't speak to the heart. Do you have any pieces from before your transformation?" Aarav hesitated but retrieved an old carving, a simple depiction of village life, raw and unrefined. The traveler's eyes lit up. "This," he said, "is a masterpiece. It tells a story, evokes emotion, and reflects authenticity." Realization dawned upon Aarav. In his quest for acclaim, he had sacrificed his unique voice. Determined to reclaim his identity, he returned to his original style, infusing his creations with personal experiences and emotions. Though some patrons drifted away, many new admirers were drawn to the genuine essence of his work. Aarav found fulfillment not in widespread fame, but in staying true to himself. Moral: authenticity resonates more profoundly than imitation. Embrace your uniqueness, for it's your true masterpiece.